One of the most frequently requested videos to date is to determine whether or not lighter fluid will work as a gasoline substitute inside of a vehicle or inside of a small engine. Now, we're going to be testing Zippo Lighter Fluid to see if this is going to work. Right in the very front of the can, Zippo Lighter Fluid claims to be a clean burning, fast ignition fuel source. So let's give this a test and see how it's going to work. We're going to run Zippo Lighter Fluid through this see-through engine to see just how clean it burns. We're also going to apply a heavy load on this generator to see how the engine runs. We're also going to use it in the go-kart engine to see if the engine spark knocks. We're going to run lighter fluid through this engine to see how well the engine runs, as well as how much carbon buildup takes place. So I downloaded the safety data sheet off the Zippo website to find out what exactly is in the lighter fluid. According to the safety data sheet, the lighter fluid contains 50 to 100% distillates and also 25 to 50% naphtha. And the flash point is less than 20.3 degrees Fahrenheit or negative 6.5 degrees Celsius. If you ever have questions about the specific ingredients listed on a safety data sheet, you can always look up these CAS numbers online and find out a lot more information. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cans of Zippo Lighter Fluid, or 24 ounces total, to the fuel tank. So I'm really impressed with how lighter fluid is working. So I'm going to go ahead and put an extremely heavy load on this 4,000 watt generator. I'm going to run 2 space heaters at full power. During today's test, I'll be using a kilowatt device. I've used this in previous videos. It gives us good information on volts, amps, watts, and hertz. So in previous videos, we've experimented with other types of fuel in the go-kart. In almost every situation, we end up with a spark knock. So we're going to see how this engine does on lighter fluid. I've already drained the fuel in this gas tank, so I'm going to go ahead and add the Zippo Lighter Fluid now. Zippo Lighter Fluid claims to be a clean burning, fast ignition type of fuel, and it proved to be just that. It was by far the best burning fuel we've tested to date as a gasoline substitute, performing extremely well. Very impressive results. Even inside the see-through engine, it was clear that Zippo Lighter Fluid does a great job combusting in a gasoline engine. With that said, I don't recommend doing this to your fuel-injected vehicle, and at about $75 a gallon is not very practical. However, I had a lot of fun giving this one a test. Please keep those ideas coming, and I'll keep making videos. Please take care, and I look forward to next time.